channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss the definite integrals and its example. I have here is an example. Let us find the antiderivative of x cubed from 2 to 4, x cubed dx from 2 to 4. So the antiderivative of x cubed, according to the rules, in the power rule, we have to add the exponent 1. So x cubed 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have x to 4 over 4, evaluated from 2 to 4. And then let's go ahead and separate this 2 and 4. So we have 4 to 4 over 4 minus 2 raised to 4 over 4. So we have 4 over 4. We can cancel out the 4. And we have 4 over 3 minus 2 raised to 4 is 16 over 4. So we have 64 minus 4 is 60. So this is our final answer. We have our second example. So what is the antiderivative of 7 dx evaluated from 10 to 4? We know that the integral of a constant is just example 3 dx. So the integral of 3 is just 3x. So we have 7x evaluated from 10 to 4. So we have 7 times 10 minus 7 times 4, and 70 minus 28 is just 42. So we have our final answer. So we have next example. Let's go and find the antiderivative of x cubed minus 5x squared over x dx evaluated from 2 to 3. So in this function, we have to evaluate the function in our example. So we have x squared minus 5x, quantity of x squared minus 5x dx evaluated from 2 to 3. So the antiderivative of x squared is simply x cubed over 3 minus antiderivative of 5x is just 5x squared over 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's just 5x squared evaluated from 2 to 3 equals the quantity of 3 cubed over 3 minus 5 times 3 squared over 2 minus 2 cubed minus over 3 minus 5 times 2 squared over 2. So we have 3 times 3 is just 9. 3 times 3 is 9 over divide by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Minus 5 times 3 raised to 5 times 3 squared is 45 over 2 minus 3 times 2 times 3 is 8 over 3 minus 5 times 2 squared over 2 is 10. So we have 9 minus 45 over 2 minus 8 over 3, then negative times negative 10 is just positive 10 is equals to 9 minus 9 plus 10 is just 19. 19 over 1 minus 45 over 2 minus 8 over 3. So we have to find its common denominator. So we have 6. The common denominator is 6. So 114 over 6 minus 135 over 6 minus 16 over 6. So we have negative 21 over 6 minus 16 over 6 is equals to negative 37 over 6. Did you get it, class? So we have another example. Let us find the antiderivative of quantity of 8x cubed plus 3x squared plus 6x dx evaluated from 2 to 3. So, in this example, we need to what I mean is the constant. So 8. So we have equals 8 quantity of x raised to 4 because 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have x raised to 4 over 4 plus 3x squared. 3x squared is so we have x cubed over 3. So I'm sorry guys, but it's fine. Plus 6, yes, this is constant. Need to outlet so we can get simplest answer. 6 times the quantity of x squared over 2 evaluated from 2 to 3. So let's simplify. So x raised to 4 times 8 is 8x4 times 4 is 2x to 4 plus, so there is a 3 here outside that quantity, so x cubed over 3 divide by 3 is, let's cancel out that, so we have x cubed plus 6 times x squared is equal to 6 squared divided by 2 is just 3x squared evaluated from 2 to 3. Let's go and separate this 2 and 3. So we have 2 times 3 to 4 plus 3 cubed plus 3 times 3 squared minus 2 times 2 to 4 plus 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 squared. 2 times 3 raised to 4 is 162. 3 times 3 is 27. 3 times 3 squared is 27 minus 2 times 2 to 4 raised to 4 is 32 plus 2 times cube is 8 plus 3 times 2 squared is 12. So we have 162, 27 plus 27 is 54, and 32 plus 8 plus 12 is 40 minus 40 plus 12. And let's go and simplify again so we can get our final answer. So we have 162 plus 40 plus negative 40 plus 12 is negative 52. So we have 162 plus 54 162 plus 54 minus 52 is 162 plus 2 is equals to 164. So that is the final answer. So that's for today, and good luck. Thank you, and credits to SlideGo for this template.